OneDesk supports single sign-on by implementing SAML version 2. By doing so, you can then use your Active Directory Federation services too. To enable single sign-on, make sure to have this button enabled. The OneDesk metadata URL can be found here, and you can provide your metadata via the URL right here with your identity provider, or alternatively, you can upload your metadata file. From there, you can then validate your metadata. If you'd like to enable user provisioning to create accounts for your users, it can be done by selecting this button right here. Additionally, your advanced settings, which can be found here, can be modified if the information pulled from your metadata file is not correct. For users to log in with SSO, once everything is validated, the login URL will appear here, and you can provide your users with this URL.